Hi, my name is Javier Alcantara-Rojas and welcome to Flamenco Professor. Okay, so today we're going to get started with our picado technique, which is basically just means to pluck the strings with our fingers, either index, middle, ring, or some combination of the three. We're going to begin with index and middle first. So we're going to start with our 1 finger per fret exercise on finger 1, 2, 3, and 4 on fret 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the first string. And what we're going to do is we're going to do groups of 4, and we're just going to go right up and come right back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Re-articulate it and come down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I've already explained the left hand. It's just first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger on first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth string on the first string. Now for the picado. For the picado, what we're going to do is we're actually going to keep that same fist-like position, but then relaxed, all coming from a nice relaxed hand position. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the same position that we had when we have our thumb on the 6th string and our index, middle, and ring on strings 3, 2, and 1. And now we're just going to slightly drop index and middle to the first string. And we're going to make as little movements as possible. These are going to be called rest strokes. And what I mean by rest strokes is that the finger is going to rest on the adjacent string, with index and middle resting on string 2, index resting on string 2, middle resting on string 2. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And I'm going to be making a very, very small movement with my fingers. It would be something akin to if you had an itch. Let's say I have an itch right here. I'm not going to, really excessively scratch it. It's a little itch. So I'm just going to kind of give it a little tiny scratch. Okay? It's that type of movement that you're going to be using. It's going to be coming from primarily from your knuckles, but really from the second joint after your knuckle, or it would be the first joint after your knuckle. It's basically going to come from that joint right there. And it's just a little tiny swing, like a little scratch, okay? And your hand should be free when you are using your picado. So here we go. I'll do it slowly. You know the left hand, just watch the right. And that was a little exaggerated. I'll do it a little with less movement. Less movement is always better. One more time. Okay, now we're going to begin with our middle and ring finger. Same exercise with the left hand. Now we're just going to go middle, ring, middle, ring, middle, ring, middle, ring. One more time.